The world of photography is one which is constantly evolving, and with each passing year we see groundbreaking advancement in camera technology that open up new possibility for professional photographers and hobbyists alike. In this video, I am going to show you 5 amazing latest and the best Canon cameras that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which Canon camera did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying any new cameras, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. You can message me there and I will definitely reply you back. Canon EOS R7. Canon EOS R7, a high-performance mirrorless camera that leverages advanced technology to deliver exceptional image quality and seamless operations. This camera boasts a 32.5 megapixel APS-C sized sensor that delivers incredibly sharp, detailed images with an beautiful colors even in challenging lighting conditions. Its outstanding performance in low light is due to its 5 EV low light focusing and ISO 32000 standard maximum sensitivity. Designed to capture fast action, the EOS R7 offers up to 15 fps continuous shooting, ensuring you will never miss a crucial moment. The camera is also equipped for high quality video capture with a full HD capabilities at up to 120p, offering flexibility for videographers and content creators. By this amazing camera for its 32.5 megapixel APS-C size sensor, full HD up to 120p, image stabilization with a sensor shift IS technology, dual pixel CMF autofocus 2, various mastering modes and exposure compensation. Links are provided in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Designed for vloggers and content creators, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II is a versatile and capable mirrorless camera. This compact and user-friendly camera is equipped with a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, providing sharp, high-resolution images. With the ability to support 10 fps continuous shooting, the M50 Mark II is also a great tool for capturing action shots. The EOS M50 Mark II brings your movies to life in stunning 4K and Full HD at 60p. It also supports vertical movie recording, perfect for social media, and features live YouTube streaming over a Wi-Fi network. The inclusion of a 3.5mm external microphone input ensures high-quality audio to match your video. This camera truly excels in low-light conditions also. Buy this amazing camera for its 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, 4K and Full HD movie recording at 60p, 10 fps continuous shooting, live YouTube video streaming, low light performance is really good, Digic 8 image processor is very good, EOS integrated sensor cleaning system is Canon EOS R5. The Canon EOS R5 is an innovative hybrid mirrorless camera that breaks new ground in photography and filmmaking. It features a powerful 45 megapixel full frame sensor that ensures stunningly high resolution images. The R5 is a game changer when it comes to video capabilities, offering 8K raw internal video recording as well as a full frame 4K recording at up to 120p, which delivers unparalleled cinematic footage. This camera boasts an image stabilizer that offers up to 8 stops of shake correction, ensuring the sharpest images possible even when shooting handheld in low light conditions. The ISO range of 100 to 51 or 200 offers impressive image quality in all lighting conditions, and the new high resolution mode combines 9 shots to create a 400MP image, providing unparalleled detail and dynamic range. The Canon EOS R5 features a highly responsive and fast dual pixel CMOS autofocus to focusing system. This means that the camera can keep subjects in sharp focus even when they are moving, making the R5 ideal for action and sports photography. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities ensures quick and convenient transfer of photos and videos to other devices. Buy this amazing smartphone for its large 45-megapixel full-frame sensor, 8K raw internal audio recording and 4K at 120p video recording. Up to 8 stop image stabilizer is there. ISO ranges from 100 to 51,200. Dual pixel CMOS autofocus Mark II focus system, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, CF Express and SD card slot. Canon EOS 1D X Mark III. The Canon EOS 1D X Mark III is a remarkable DSLR camera that delivers unparalleled performance. The full-frame 20-megapixel sensor captures strikingly sharp images with vibrant colors. This high-resolution capability makes it ideal for professional photographers who require outstanding image quality for their work. Offering continuous shooting of up to 20 fps, the 1D X Mark III is perfectly good camera for capturing fast-moving objects. Whether you are shooting sports, events or wildlife, the camera's rapid capture rate will ensure you never miss a crucial moment. This model also excels in videography, offering 5.5K raw video capture. This feature allows you to achieve the ultimate image quality and provides more flexibility in post-processing or post-production editing. The 1D X Mark III also boasts the dual pixel CMOS autofocus technology, which provides lightning fast autofocus for still photography and smooth, accurate focus transition when shooting videos. The camera's Digic X image processor is both efficient and powerful, delivering excellent image quality even under challenging light conditions. Buy this amazing camera for its 20-megapixel full-frame sensor, up to 20 fps continuous shooting, 5.5K raw video capture, dual pixel CMOS autofocus technology, various autofocus point selection and anti-flicker shooting. Canon EOS 90D, an advanced piece of photographic equipment. The Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera ensures phenomenal image clarity, which is primarily due to its 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. With this sensor, photographers can capture an astonishing level of detail, thereby enhancing the quality of their work. Also, the camera provides 4K filmmaking capability and dual pixel CMOS autofocus that enable stunning video quality, thereby making it a great tool for videographers as well. Moreover, the camera is equipped with a high maximum ISO of 25,600, thereby significantly enhancing low-light performance. Its robust autofocus system comes with ITR focus tracking and a 45 cross-type autofocus points with a multi-controller, helping users to keep even fast-moving subjects in sharp focus. These features, along with its various other capabilities, make the EOS 90D ideal for sports and wildlife photography, among other fast-paced photographic situations. Buy this amazing camera for its 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, 4K video capabilities with the dual pixel CMOS autofocus, maximum ISO of 25,600, ITR focus tracking and 45 cross-type autofocus points, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, Digic 8 image processing and lot more. So these are the 5 amazing Canon cameras that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe.